Hello to everyone. This is my presentation for the activity 1. This moment I answer the question 1. The question is, all university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your opinion? Let's start. Okay. Um, One is more knowledge in their area because the students are near to everything about this career. Two is that they can practice everything they are learning. One disadvantage is that students have less time for the study or for the practice. Uh, in my opinion, is necessary or is important work and study and in the same time for the complement of the knowledge.